Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to save your Canva design as a PDF. Whether it's a presentation, a brochure, or any other type of document, this process is quick and easy. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account, or create one if you're new. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button in the top left corner. Click it and choose the type of design you want to work on. For this tutorial, I'll use a landscape video, but you can select whatever fits your project. After your design opens, you'll see a blank canvas. To add your own images, click Uploads on the side panel. Select an image from your device, and it will appear on your canvas. For a professional look, you can set it as the background by clicking More Options, then Set Image as Background. If your project needs more pages, just click Add Page and repeat the process. Upload your images and set them as backgrounds as needed. Once your design looks perfect, it's time to save it as a PDF. Go to the top right corner and click Share, then select Download. From the File Type drop-down, choose PDF Standard. For a smaller file size, you can also click Flatten PDF. Finally, hit Download, and your Canva project will be saved as a PDF on your computer, ready for sharing or printing. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Canva design as a PDF.